So it's by JBL. There you go. It looks pretty cool. So my purpose for wanting a waterproof speaker is so I can bring it in when I shower. I can bring it to the pool if I want to. So I'm pretty excited about it because it does seem to be a nice size. I mean, that's all I can tell from the actual packaging. And it seems to look very futuristic. All right. Oh, it comes in a really cool packaging. Let me see. So that's it right there. How awesome is that? Is that just where it? Oh, no, it was socked. Okay. Look how cool. So that's the box that it comes in. It says JBL on the front. It feels like it's like a styrofoam, but not really. It's a lot more durable, I think. At least it feels that way. It has a little holder. So let's turn it on. So it has the power button here, and hopefully it is charged. It is. Do you hear that sound? All right, so let's see how easy it is to set up the Bluetooth on this with my phone. Oh, there it is. One click. Yes, please pair it. Okay, so let's see what we can play. It's cool. So all of this is black, so you're able to. Right. So you're able to control the volume and the pause and play button right on the speaker. I don't know what this is. What is that? I don't know. It looks like a little infinity symbol. I will have to figure that out. That infinity symbol is to link up more than one speaker, which is pretty awesome because if you had like 10 of these, you can just put them around and you can create your own surround sound. So just so you know, this is the Flip5 by JBL and it's a waterproof speaker. I think that it's going to come in handy for the summer. It is small enough where I can just put it in my purse, and it's also small enough to just put it in my shower, and I can just like literally just hang it and then not worry about getting electrocuted, you know, and then just listen to whatever podcast I'm listening to. So I'm pretty excited to use this. I mean, the color scheme is super cute. I mean, I love the black with the red. It was pretty easy to just link up to your phone, so I don't foresee that being a problem for like anyone. I mean, I enjoy how simplistic it is. Right now, Verizon still has a sale. I think it's until the end of this month, where it's like $70 off if you're a Verizon member. And it's such a great deal.
3 days later.
All right, so it's been 3 days since I first opened this up. Just wanted to give a quick review. My boyfriend's used it, I've used it in the shower. It has not given us any problem. I just wanted to show you guys how it works by putting it in here. Should I turn it on first? All right. All right. Oh, the water's splashing. It does work. I don't want to get copyrighted, so I gotta turn that off. Now I'm just turning it off, and it makes a pretty cool sound as well. So yeah, that was my review for the JBL Flip5, and so far I love it, and I can't wait to start using it in other places other than just my shower. All right guys, so I'll see you later. Bye.